Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Virgos. On your side, we have the Three of Swords. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Oh, the Tower. The most likely outcome. How come? The Nine of Cups. Oof. Very unusual outcome. Unexpected, not unusual, I should say. Unexpected outcome. Anyway, we'll see how you are able to achieve it, but it's beautiful. So as far as you are concerned, Virgos, we have the Three of Swords. So definitely a lot of heartbreak and a lot of pain here in your heart. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Tower. Something unexpected has happened over here in this person's life. But the most likely outcome is the Nine of Cups. So it's happiness, contentment, wish fulfillment. Now how it is coming to Nine of Cups, we have to see that. So let's see why is this Three of Swords here. So for the Three of Swords, we have the Strength, the Three of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Let's clarify the Tower. So for the Tower, we have the Eight of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Seven of Wands. For the Nine of Cups, we have the Eight of Wands, the Magician, and the Four of Cups. So Virgos, what I feel here is, for the Three of Swords, we have the Strength, the Three of Cups, and the Six of Wands. There is definitely pain here, but what I feel here is, somebody here is wanting to reconcile or get back with the other person. So what I feel here is that, see, whatever the reason for the heartbreak is, whatever the pain is, though it is not easy to come out of it, but still somebody here wants to reconcile and get back to the other person. And that is how they feel that they'll feel happy. They know that they will feel happy doing that. It is something of that sort. Perhaps it's like they know that if they get back to you, if they reconcile with you, I mean, this person knows that if they reconcile with you, they get back to you, they will be happy. They'll feel good about it. They will feel happy. They will feel successful, whatever you call it. Okay, so perhaps the reconciliation part may be the tough part. The decision to do it or how to do it. That can be the tough part. But this person knows deep within that they are not happy without you and they want to reconcile with you. So they don't feel happy without you. As far as your person is concerned, for the Tower we have the Eight of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Seven of Wands. So this person also wants a new beginning. With the Tower, whatever has happened over here, which has totally shaken up their life, it can be maybe some truth has enlightened, something has come. They've come to know something which they had not thought of. It can be that also. But something has happened over here because of which this person feels, obviously that energy will be there, that the person is totally in a shock state. Okay, they really don't want to, they want time to themselves, they want to deal with it on their own sort of. So something unexpected had happened in their life or has happened in their life which is causing them to be in their own shell, I should say, in their own self. It's really tough for them to deal with this situation, whatever it is. It's not easy for them to come out of it. They're taking the time, they're trying to resist or defend themselves or resist whatever is happening around them. They're trying to fight out the situation basically. And with the Ace of Swords, they do want a new beginning here. For the Nine of Cups, we have the Eight of Wands, the Magician, and the Four of Cups. So, whatever it is, what I feel here is that since both of you are upset and both of this person wants to reconcile, this person is also dealing with the situation of the trauma, whichever they have suffered, but they too have the clarity in their mind that they too want to, they don't want to fight anymore. They also want a new beginning, sort of. And because of this, there is a communication which is seen, which will mark the new beginning, you can say. So even though it's like whatever the energies of negativity are or the pain are, it is something which has happened in the past. So it is perhaps you, somebody here, or even both of you were too much focused on the past. But now what I feel is I really see some sort of a communication, a passionate communication coming in, which will mark the new beginning of the relationship, and that is going to give you a wish fulfillment and happiness. So let's see the message from this deck. Number 26 may be of some significance for you. New love. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work prospects or for spiritual growth. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.